Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie. This make-ahead appetizer has beautiful contrast of textures and shapes. Also, not only is it delicious, but it can be made much more affordable than doing a charcuterie board. So here are a few tips that will make these easy Antipasta Skewers the hit of your party. Marinating the mozzarella in a homemade balsamic vinaigrette adds an amazing flavor. To keep costs down, I recommend buying the block form apart skim mozzarella and cutting it into bite-sized pieces. As beautiful as buying the small mozzarella balls are, buying enough for this appetizer can be more than triple the cost of buying the mozzarella in block form. The easiest way to cut the mozzarella into cubes is with a large, sharp knife. Carefully cut the block in half and then into fourths. Repeat with each section of cheese until the bite-sized cubes are formed. Once the mozzarella is cubed, place into a bowl, toss well with the balsamic mixture, and marinate for 1 to 2 hours before making the skewers. Another way I keep the cost of making this appetizer to a minimal is by purchasing many of the ingredients at Costco. This is because their quality is amazing and their prices are even better than most everywhere else. It's important to note that 6-inch bamboo skewers is the perfect size toothpick to hold the following ingredients. I highly recommend to use Italian green olives because they are unbelievably delicious. Just make sure to purchase the pitted versions. Also, grape tomatoes will hold up much better on these skewers than cherry tomatoes. Another difference I have found is that halved baby artichoke hearts are a much better alternative to using tortellini. For more recipes like this and for weekly inspiration, make sure to head on over to thefedupfoodie.com and sign up for my newsletter where I share recipes and tips in helping to make cooking from scratch approachable.